But this one, I did put this every night. You know, blemishes are like always there. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, KristinCena. So for today's video, we are going to do an unboxing of Pixi Glow Tonic. And also we're gonna do it for 21 days, so this should be exciting. But before that, if you're into videos about beauty and fashion, please subscribe to my channel. So Pixi has released this product, the Pixi Glow Tonic, for a long time already. But this would be new to my channel and also new for myself. Yes, here it is. I got this from Shoppo. This has been sitting in my cupboard for like ages ago. And here it is. So Pixi is a company, they are not just into skincare, they also have makeup or cosmetics. It says original 5% glycolic acid formula gently exfoliates to remove dead skin cells, revealing healthy glowing skin for all skin types, clinically proven results, alcohol free and hypoallergenic. But yeah, I got 100 ml because what's available online here in Australia is 250 ml and 100 ml usually, but I decided to have 100 ml because I usually travel, like go out of the country, so 100 ml would be good for me. It contains AHA that may increase skin sensitivity to the sun. Limit sun exposure while using this product and for a week afterwards. So yes, so I think it's more advisable to use it at night. By the way guys, what pushed me to buy this one also is that according to the comments, it minimizes pores. So I'm really looking for a product that would minimize pores, as I really have big pores because of my oily skin. So yeah, I do hope it works. Hey guys, finally I'm back after more than 21 days to give you the final review of this product right here, which is the Pixi. So the first time I used this, I immediately felt a little bit of like tingling sensation on my skin. You know that feeling when you put like alcohol on your hands? Yeah, that kind of feeling, but it's really subtle, and it's also understandable because this is an exfoliating, this is a toner and it's an exfoliating one. Actually, I did take photos from day 1, day 7, day 14 and day 21 to really know if it would really work. And I noticed on the first day compared to the day 7, there's not much of a difference, unlike some comments in the reviews or the reviews. They really immediately felt like there's really a huge change on their skin, but it's not the case for me. After 14 days of application, I started to notice that some of the blemishes are fading away, but you know, blemishes are like always there. In day 21, you can really see that my face lightened. I mean, not white, it lightened, it got brighter compared to the day 1. And also that's what my husband told about me. I asked him if he noticed something since I've been using Pixi, and he said that my skin looked more glowy compared to before. My skin, he said that my skin looks really dull before and now it's brighter. So that's a really good feedback about the Pixi. In the 4 pictures there, when it comes to my pores, I did not really see a huge difference. But there is a difference, but not much, like not amazing. You know, it's just 21 days since I used it, so don't expect like a really huge thing that's gonna happen on your face. So far, that's really good, and I just keep on forgetting. I keep forgetting on putting on, you know, doing my routine. But this one, I did put this every night so that I could really give you good feedback. But yeah, and also the thing that amazes me in this product is that, you know, when you use micellar water on your face to remove the makeup, after that, if you use this one, it would like further clean your face. It really is so good in taking off some of the makeup that's left on your face, and that's what's great about this product as well. And by the way, this after 21 days, 100 ml, I have used half of the bottle, so that's around 50 ml for 21 days. So this is good for like 1.5 months of use. Final conclusion on this product, I compared day 1 to day 21. It's really brighter, though I still have like blemishes, you know, from my pimple scars, so that's like a work in progress. I have pimples from time to time, so that's why you need like a toner or another beauty product to really clear those out. So far so good. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10 for the job well done. So for me, Pixi is a good product to try on. And yep, that completes this video, guys. I do hope you enjoyed watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below your thoughts about Pixi. Have you used Pixi, or are you planning to buy Pixi? Please comment it down below. Would love to read all of them. See you guys in my next video. Bye.